Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X7d, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen. This will bring down your toggles. And just a quick check. It does matter which side you do it from, so make sure you do it from the right side. And here, look for the screen recorder. For me, it is visible right over here. Once you see it, you can either hold it. This will take you to the settings and you can change some of the options for it. So for instance, under video quality, you can change it to record under 1080p, which I would say that is recommended instead of the 720p. And did it say the resolution has what? Has been changed and it will take effect. Okay. So yep, that's what we want, 1080p. And other than that, you have also sound options, so you can record the system sound, microphone, whichever one you want. Show touches on the screen, which will be a semi-transparent grayed out wherever your finger was pressing it. And let's just close this up. And we're gonna tap on this toggle. It will begin a, well, usually it begins a 3-second countdown, but apparently not here. Anyway, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the screen recorder. There might be a little bit of a limitation. Let's see if there's an application I can show this with. I think there should be one. Let's see. Nothing in here. No way. There's no way. Keyboard, thank you. Well, apparently there's no Netflix here, nor Spotify. Okay, so I guess I won't be showing applications that I can't record. I can show ones that we can record. Actually, can I just, like, I don't know, get to the application without making it my default? Or will you be a piece of shit about it? Apparently you will be. Okay, cool. Thanks, Google. You never cease to surprise. So let's just, I guess, open up something like this. I'm not gonna start playing it, so I'm just gonna close it up right now. Now, once you're done recording, you can click right here where the red blinking square is, and this will save your screen recording to your Photos application. And let's see how long it takes me. Oh, there is one. This might be Gallery. Now this isn't actual Google application, this is the HONOR one, which is fine. It usually is better anyway. So in here, you can navigate from Photos to Albums, even though Photos will contain your screen recordings. If you're trying to find specific screen recording that you have captured some time ago, it will be much easier to go to Albums, and here, Screenshots. And in Screenshots, you can see Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Hence why we have it right here. As you can see the dot, that's where my finger was pressing the display. And in general, that's the playback. Now, I want to warn you against some things. Some applications won't allow you to record them, even though you have never given them explicit permission to do any single thing on your device. For instance, like I mentioned, Netflix. I don't even own a Netflix account, and this garbage just decides to block my screen recording on my phone without my permission, just because it comes pre-installed. I have never agreed to terms of service, nor used, nor even downloaded it myself, which logically thinking, this application should have zero right to change any settings on my phone. But it does, because it doesn't give a shit. It considers this phone as it's theirs. It's your typical, you know, corporate, rapey kind of approach. So one thing that I want to warn you against is when you encounter such an application, you actually have no way of knowing that this application is just changing some settings, because it never even lets you know about it. It's just going to be happening. And the only time you're going to find out is when you go to play back this video, like I am right now, and whenever the application opens, all you have is a straight up black screen and nothing else. So just be wary. If you're going to try to record some applications for a prolonged period of time, you first might want to check if that application even allows you to record it. And if it can't, you can always find alternatives online that actually work better, because they remove ads and also that BS that blocks your screen recorder. So highly recommend those. None of us should actually deal with ads, I would believe. That's my firm belief that and this is the model to enshittify your experience by making everything worse and adding ads that you don't really care about. Then they're not really worth keeping. And feel free to remove them. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.